Alright, check for understanding problems. Use the information given in the diagram. CD is the perpendicular bisector of A. So it splits AB. So it splits these two exactly in half. Find CA. So I need to find this side. And DB. Explain your reasoning. So if CD is the perpendicular bisector to AB, then that means it also splits these angles in half. So CD is the angle bisector of angle ACB and angles ADB. Okay, so that means these points are equidistant from C and D. So since this CB is 5, AC is 5. CB is congruent to AB, or AC, sorry. So, sorry, they use CA, and you switch it just so it matches what they have here. So CA is also 5. Same thing happens with the other one. AD is congruent to BD, or DB is how they list it. DB. And so since AD is 6, DB is 6. There's your two answers, and we explained why we thought that. According to the diagram, how far is K from EH? Well, if we look here, K is there, EH is this point, this line. It makes the perpendicular line over to K, so the distance is 10. Notice that KH and KD are equal. They're congruent sides, so 10 units from each line. What can you conclude about EK? That's this line here. We draw that in. So let's take a look at that. EK, well, it's equidistant from the sides of the angle, right? At all the spots. So if I look back at my theorems, if a point in the interior of the angle is equidistant from the sides of the angle, then it is on the angle bisector. So these points are all equidistant from the sides of the angle, so ray EK is the angle bisector of angle DEH. And then if we look at it this way, it would also be the angle bisector of DKH. Alright, and then because we know that, we can find the value of x because these two have to be equal since it splits them in half. 2x equals x plus 20. If you subtract x, x equals 20. Alright, and then the last question is find DEH. DEH, let me grab a different color here. DEH is this big angle. So it's the 2x plus the x plus 20. 2x plus x plus 20. And we know x is 20, so 2 times 20 plus 20 plus 20. 2 times 20 is 40, plus 20 plus 20 would be 80. So the measure of angle DEH is 80. All right. That's how you do the check for understanding problems. Go ahead, get started on your homework, and if you have any questions, make